Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will have another quiz which is related to quadratic equation, and we have to solve this equation and find out the correct result. Here we have the three answer. A is minus x minus 3, B is x minus 3, and C is x plus 3. So now we will solve this quiz and find out like which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. As like we have here minus x square plus 9 divided by x plus 3. So we have to solve this expression. So first we have to, what we can do, but we can take the common is minus from numerator and write like this way, x square, and then minus 9, and we will write the bracket. We will write bracket here because we took the common minus, and in the denominator we will write like this way, x plus 3. So now this is basically, here we have the taking common, taking minus sign as common. So here we are taking common, taking minus sign as a common. So now we have to move forward and write. So now we have the x square minus 9, and here we will write the property of x square, basically x. So here we have the right like x square minus 3 raised to power 2, and we can write like this way because if we will convert, so it will be whole 3 3 is a 9 and x square. Now, so now we will apply here x square minus 3 square. We will apply here the algebraic formula, which is equals to, right, like this way, x plus 3 and x minus 3. And in the denominator, we will write like x plus 3 and this. So here we give the reference here of algebraic formula, which we apply here x square minus 3 square is equal to x plus 3 and x minus 3. And now we will like cut these terms which are common, like x plus 3 divided by x plus 3, both can be cut. And in the end, we get the answer is x minus x minus 3. So this is the answer of this expression, which can be easily divided, and we get the correct answer. So if you see in the answer list, so answer basically A is the correct answer. So I hope you understand like how you can solve this expression using algebraic formula and find out the correct result. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.